You're watching Steve TV. Welcome to Steve TV. It's me, Steve TV. I'm here with Victoria. Say hi, Miss Vic.
Good morning, everyone.
Here we are, beautiful Cairns. We're on top of the, what's the name of the boat?
Catamaran.
The big cat, the big green cat. Big green cat, love getting on a big green cat. And we're here with all the tourists. They're all getting on different boats here in the marina at Cairns, and it's a beautiful day, a little bit windy, with spontaneous rain clouds just appearing and disappearing. It rained this morning. And yeah, we're looking forward to a day trip. Hope you can hear me with the wind, aren't we? We're going to go to Green Island. We'll check back in with you a little bit later. Steve TV. We're on our way. You've got your obligatory Melbourne blacks on.
Yes.
Good girl. We've got our Melbourne glow happening.
欢迎乘客搭号前往绿岛，我们这艘船大概会在10点20分左右到达绿岛。绿岛是大堡礁其中的一个岛屿，也是国家海洋公园。岛上的一草一木、一山一石都是受到保护的。 请不要进行采集，任何的采集都是违法的。我们的船分3层，洗手间设在1层的船尾和甲板。我们这艘船是禁止吸烟的，无论船舱内、甲板和洗手间内都是不能吸烟的。另外，请大家爱护环境卫生。如果有垃圾的话，请丢进垃圾箱内。今天早上的登船票，请各位保管好。今天的午餐、玻璃底船、半潜水艇以及回程时都需要各位出示船票。玻璃底船和 半潜水艇的出发时间标注在各位的登船票上，出发地点都在船的1层后部。
That's where we had dinner on my birthday.
核对，提前5分钟到达船上等候。
Beautiful place.
我们的午餐从11点半至1点设在1层的自助餐区域。这艘船的回程时间是下午3点45分，请你们一定在3点半必须回到船上。我们会在3点45分准时开船。这艘船是不会等人的，所以请你们一定要在3点半 准时回到船上。今天的天气是有风浪的，没有必要的话，请不要任意走动。需要走动的乘客，请你们扶好扶手。船的4周都配有呕吐袋，感觉不舒服的乘客可以提前做好准备，或者到甲板上呼吸新鲜空气。另外，为了各位的安全，我们要把所有的茶杯收走，请大家合作，尽快将茶或者咖啡喝完，方便工作人员清理。接下来我们要进行救生衣的使用示范。 请注意观看，最后祝各位旅途愉快，谢谢。
おはようございます。本日はビッグとご乗船いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。ただいまより安全用具並びにスノーケリングについての説明 DVD を上映いたします。日本語のサブタイトル付きとなっております。本日スノーケリングをご予定のお客様は必ず室内のモニターにてご確認いただけますようにお願いいたします。また後ほど手元のパンフレットにて本日の日程並びにグリーン島スノーケリングにおいての注意事項を再度ご確認くださいませ。走行中は船の揺れが予想されます。船内動き回る際は必ず何かにおつかまりいただけますようにお願いいたします。お手洗いは1階入り口後方バックデッキに男性2カ所、女性3カ所ございます。本船は全面禁煙となっておりますので、喫煙はグリーン島につきましてから喫煙所の方をご利用いただけますようにお願いいたします。約1時間20分の船の旅をお楽しみください。本日日本人乗務員が乗船しております。ご質問等ございましたらばお気軽にお声をおかけくださいませ。
She was quick. Now we should have a German one, shouldn't we? That basically was telling us the safety procedures of the boat. No smoking, don't stand near the edge, hang on when we get out to the open ocean because it's a bumpy ride. Anything else I missed, Vic? They like to tell stories here in Victoria, in Queensland, don't they?
Certainly, and write your number down and put it on
Right,
the
now
card
down.
for
Now
me.
move along in there, through there. Put your head through your hoop. Now, smile, cheese, click. Off we go. Now,
Stand
next.
behind the ring.
Stand behind the ring, through that door, around the. Now we're going to come here. Now turn left. That's like. Oh, here we go.
As part of the safety requirements for this vessel, the crew and I would like to indicate where the life-saving equipment is kept. Life jackets can be found in the large, clearly marked lockers at the front of the main and bridge deck cabin. Cabin exits are at the rear of the cabin areas. There are also 2 emergency exits at the front of the main cabin and at the sides of the bridge deck cabin. In the most unlikely event that life jackets have to be used, they will be handed out by crew members. They should be placed over the head with arms through the ties. The ties are then pulled tightly, crossed at the back and tied in front. When the abandoned ship order is given, pull down firmly on the neck opening with both hands and jump well clear of the vessel, feet first. Swim gracefully away from the vessel.
Gracefully.
Gracefully, yeah.
Life rings are situated on either side near the bridge deck gateways in the event of someone falling overboard. Life rafts are stowed on the sun deck with the capacity to handle all passengers and crew. These will be launched by the crew as required. Thank you very much for your attention throughout that demonstration. For those of you snorkeling today, we will give you important safety information and demonstrate how to use your snorkeling equipment. Please be aware of your physical limitations and swimming ability, and do not try to exceed these. Do not snorkel out of your depth if you are not a strong swimmer. And don't forget, flotation vests are available for hire. If you suffer from a medical condition, which can be exacerbated through strenuous exercise, you should not participate without first consulting your doctor. Please do not snorkel directly from the side of the boat, or from areas to the right of the jetty where there is boat activity. Do not consume alcohol, and eat only in moderation before snorkeling. We recommend that snorkelers wear a lycra suit to provide an element of protection against sunburn and the marine environment. If you need any assistance whilst on the island, do not hesitate to contact crew members. Please have another read of the snorkeling tips in the information flyer. There are more available at the bar and in a range of languages. We strongly urge you to have a good read before you go off snorkeling or swimming today. Please now observe the following snorkeling demonstration to maximize your enjoyment on the Great Barrier Reef today. First, check the seal by placing the mask to your face and inhaling through your nose.
Demonstrating.
The mask should stay in place.
You'll have to give a demonstration.
Fogging by spitting in the mask. Rub around and then rinse in salt water. To avoid leaks, ensure hair is clear of the mask. The strap is to be nice and high and not too tight. To adjust, press the tabs on the side. Your snorkel has 2 rubber lugs. Bite on these and seal with your lips. Breathe through your mouth, being sure not to chew on the lug.
Be sure not to chew.
Clear water from your snorkel.
Sorry, we
Take the mouthpiece out of your mouth and empty the water.
I swear, I've never heard it
Clear water from the mask while snorkeling. And let but not there is left or right. Backwards into the water. Swim using The vast majority of marine life shares its habitat in harmony with human visitors. But care needs to be exercised to protect against some forms of marine creatures and corals. At certain times...
lucky. There's lots of camera activity going on here. Vic's down there out of the sun. She's at the bow of the boat. I would zoom, but I'm hanging on with my other hand. I'm finding it a little bit difficult to film. But there's Cairns out there, that where we just were. We're now heading out into the open ocean, the Great Barrier Reef. That's glorious. Glorious, I tell ya. Oh. This little very funny. That little photo session. I can hear a plane too. Boss, the plane, the plane. Look at this place, it's glorious. This is glorious. I don't know if you can hear me, but you know, you can see how glorious it is. By the way, we're on the top of the boat. There's 3 levels to this place. Watching Steve. There's a big rain cloud up ahead, Vic. Looks like we're going to fly into it. Everyone should do this.
各位乘客，你们好，我们现在风浪会越来越大，感觉会有晕船迹象的乘客，请你们可以把身上厚重的外套脱下来，或者到外面的甲板上呼吸新鲜空气，这样会改善一些。谢谢。
Oh, here comes the rain. I can feel it. So I'm going to put the camera away. So I don't want to get the camera wet. We're going into that cloud. Thank God for Annie Lennox. This is wonderful. Maybe for Steve TV again.